Okay.
Deep question, Alex.
So we focused on all types of polygons. For the remainder of the chapter, we are going to focus on four-sided polygons called
Squares or rectangles.
quadrilaterals.
It could be rectangle.
Okay, page 413.
I said square and rectangle.
Page 413. Okay, so we are going to start with parallelograms. Then we're going to move to rectangles, 413. Then we'll talk about rhombus, square, trapezoid, kite. Those are all the kinds we're going to talk about. That was just a this is why. It was a proof of why it's 360. Okay. Okay. So, the things that you just played around with in that discovery activity, you saw that if we have a quadrilateral, then our opposite sides are congruent. Done. Okay? If it's a quadrilateral as a parallelogram, then our opposite angles are congruent.
So like everything's.
If we have a parallelogram, then consecutive angles are supplementary. Those are three of the four that we talked about. We're going to focus on those first. Okay? Okay. I am telling you, this is a parallelogram. They will either say it's a parallelogram, or you will have the markings saying it's a parallelogram. Okay? If it's a parallelogram, do you not want to take notes?
Oh, no, it's right here.
Oh. If it's, yep, pencils are gone. Not from my desk, no.
Yeah.
Okay? Oh, here's one that you can make work. Okay, if it's a parallelogram, then we can assume that opposite sides are congruent. So what is the measure of CD? Okay. CD is the same as AB, which is 4 feet. Okay? I don't like that this is broken up. Well, whatever. Okay. What would be the measure of angle A? Okay, how did you get that? Okay, we know that they are supplementary. Okay, what about the measure of angle B? Would be 45 degrees. What would the measure of AC equal?
1.5.
1.5. Okay, top of the next page, fill in those. Just a check.
May I use the raster?
All right, what's angle B?
Angle D 106.
106. What's FG? Okay. All right, what if I asked you for angle G?
74.
74 degrees.
It's kind of easy.
It's kind of easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now, you are right. I am not going to make you do proofs. Okay? But let's just reason through this proof right here. Okay? Just for some solidification of what our properties are. So it is given that these two are parallelograms. Yes? Okay. So it's saying HJ and PK are congruent. How do we know that? Okay, so opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay? It's also saying that PK is congruent to ML. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. And because we've done proofs before, how do we get from these two statements to squishing it to one? See, you guys are good. I think we could do proofs if we wanted to, but I'm not going to make you.
Yes.
Is there proofs in algebra?
What?
Is there proofs in algebra?
No. The only time you'll ever do a proof again is one little section in pre-calculus if they keep it in there with the new curriculum cycle. Okay? Yeah, sophomore year, but it would just be like one day. And actually, I'm going to take that back. In pre-calculus, you do have to do trigonometric identity proofs. So, yeah, pre-calc. Pre-calc. Okay. You're taking a high school class, but you're not getting the credit. You still have to take 3 years of math. Okay. So, okay, we're going to take a timeout real quick and just talk about your registration. Okay. Next year, you're going to take Honors Algebra 2. Your sophomore year, you're going to take Honors Pre-Calculus. Your junior year, you will take AP Calculus AB. That's basically AP Calculus. If you went to college, it'd be Calc 1. Okay? Like calculus. Your senior year, you would then have options for, there's a second year of AP Calc, there is AP Statistics, or some could take both if you wanted to take both math classes. Okay? If you are going to college, you should take 4 years of math. Now, the good news is when you take AP Calculus, whether it be the first year and the second year, or AP Stats, you can get college credit for those 3 classes. Okay? So if you take, whether you dual enroll or take the AP test, you can get college credit. Okay? So you are looking at getting college math credit your junior year. That's what we're looking at here. Taking calculus as a junior, getting credit. Okay?
The advantage of being in geometry now is the college credits early on.
Yes. Yes. Some of you may be done with college math by the time you graduate high school, depending on your major. If you're not going into anything STEM related, like if you're not going to be an engineer or a weatherman or whatever, like if you're going to go pre-med, you can get your math credits done and just worry about your science and gen eds when you go to college. Okay? What? What did you say? Okay. So, no, you are not getting college credit for this geometry class. However, you are starting further on down the road in the math lineup to where you can be getting college credit junior and senior year.
What did you like better? Did you like?
If we take
what's
AP Calc junior year and we take it again the next year,
It's a second year.
So it's like
It's a new
you get a
class.
separate credit each time.
You get Calc 1 credit. Senior year, you could get Calc 2 credit.
Would you like better, statistics or calculus?
There's Calc 3 that you would then take at college if you wanted all 3 calcs. Okay?
I'd be done.
It depends on what your major is.
better stats or
For pre-med, you probably would be done, yeah.
What do
Okay.
you suggest, like, as a senior?
So it all depends on how things go as a junior, okay? If you take AP Calculus your junior year and you get a C, you're probably not going to take the second year of calculus. But you guys wouldn't do that, right? Okay? But if you don't need Calc 2 because you're going to go major in theater, okay? You could theater.
You still need
Did you
that.
say theater?
Like maybe Jack Riley is
Like
going
theater.
to.
Theater.
Jack, is it theater or theater?
Theater.
Theater. Interior.
Derek Pena.
What's the difference between how 1 and 2? It's harder.
It's just the same.
It's like algebra 1, algebra 2. I mean, it's like just.
It's just like more.
It's just the second year.
It's too short. It's just like I tried putting stuff in this morning.
I could say the words, but you don't know what they are.
Oh, I know what this is.
Tell us the words.
Did you like a statistics or calc better?
Wait, what is
Honors,
what is your husband's name?
Calc.
calculator.
Because calc's short for calculator.
It's algebra too, just a bunch of like a lot more problems for algebra.
What does AP stand for?
Advanced placement. Okay.
I'm advanced.
Now, I will tell you,
BC.
I used to teach. I used to teach these 3 classes.
Oh boy.
I know what is coming for you.
So
Yes.
can you teach us that on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
That's what's up.
I'll subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah.
I will also tell you that my husband at the Monarch High School teaches these 2 classes. So more than likely, you will have him your senior year.
Do you like statistics or calculus better?
Me personally, I like calculus.
What's calculus? Like, what would you say calculus is? Is it more geometric or more algebraic?
It's its own world.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any last questions about your future?
What even is calculus?
It's like calculator.
It's
I just like live in my mom's basement.
It's a calculator.
Dude, if I'm going
okay.
wrong,
Calculus
then I need
is derivatives and integrals. Finding area under curves, finding the instantaneous rate of change. You don't know these words. You will learn
Oh, I
them.
know.
You don't know
You
enough
think I
for
can
me.
learn them on your YouTube channel?
It's same.
All right. On the bottom of page 414, if we have a parallelogram, then the diagonals will bisect each other. Okay. So, go to the top of the next page. All right. So, first of all, it says that angle ADC, this guy right here, is 4x. And this guy right here, DAB, D-A-B, this angle is 2x minus 6. What do we know about consecutive angles in a parallelogram? They are supplementary. Their sum is 180. Okay? When you say they equal 180, that doesn't sound very formal. Okay? So we know that 2x minus 6 plus 4x needs to equal 180. What is x?
31.
Yeah.
Okay, 31. Cool. All right, now, we also know that the diagonals bisect each other. So, AE and EC should be congruent because the diagonals are meeting at the midpoint. So we know that 3z minus 4 should equal z plus 5. Which means what?
Z equals
So 2z equals 9.
One more you get one.
Okay, I am giving you a small slip of paper. Please fill in the missing measurements.
This is our homework.
We're not to the homework yet, no.
Can we leave with this paper?
W-Y. G-Y is 6.
I know it. I think it's
X. W. And X.
Does everybody have one?
Wait, what's the difference between X, Y, Z, and Z, Y, X?
68.
Uh, 68.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's 78.
78.
X, Y,
I
Z.
think, wait, Miss Holman, they messed up on this. It's 68.
Oh, we got you, we got you, we got you.
Guys, we just trained them out. Guys, it's 58.
Isn't it?
W.
If it
I
says
literally asked
WY,
68.
it's YXW. Oh, yeah, dude.
But we sure did.
Okay, so it's
Give
just
it
like,
Look at that
if this
one.
happens, new problem. If this happens, new problem. If this happens.
What? I ate all of them.
Okay, these are
Fairly
each
away.
individual questions. If it's 12, what is this?
12.
Okay, just stop. And then we're gonna like erase that from our mind. New parallelogram. If this is 14.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait a minute. How are
Bro, what is Y?
That was all him. He tried. I did not even have go. It's not mine. It's all him.
That's his fault. He missed the pass.
Crunchy gum.
Where it was not.
That was a dot, bro. Austin.
I don't even have go. Austin, give up the go.
See, they don't even know.
It was hockey.
I'm asking you.
I like when gum crunchy, bro. That one gum crunchy.
All right.
Probably him.
Austin, I'll give you one.
I'll bet crunchy gum that you.
If WZ is 12, what's XY? Okay. If WY is 14, what's GY? Okay, we have to cut it in half. All right. X, WZ. X, so this guy right here is 82 degrees. What is ZYX? Same thing. Okay, new parallelogram. WXY. This guy is 112. This guy is
68. Oh, wait.